Hey y'all, welcome back to the Coco Swatches YouTube channel. As you can tell by the title, we are talking about stepping your lip game up. So if you want to see more, stay tuned, keep on watching. So the first look we're creating is this chocolate nudie lip. I'm starting off with this Bite Beauty lip pencil in the shade Cognac. And it's cute on its own. It's flesh tone, it complements my complexion. It could definitely be worn on its own, but we want to step this up. So the first thing I'm going to do is start to line my lips with the dimensional dark brown liner from Makeup Forever. Essentially what I'm doing is just defining this look. Because this is more of a nude look, this lip color, the lipstick is kind of close to my skin tone. Really, all this look needs is a little bit more definition. If I were to use something like chestnut that's still kind of close to the lipstick, it wouldn't really give me the definition I'm looking for. So I'm using something that's super dark, which is a dimensional dark brown liner to really define the lips. And if I ever feel like I put too much, I just go back in with my lipstick and kind of blend everything out. So we've taken this kind of simple, very cute, but simple brown lip and turned it into a look. So we're moving right along into our next look. This is kind of more of what a lot of you all might think of when you think of a nude lip. It does have kind of that light beige in the center and the dark brown around the perimeter. So we're starting off with chestnut. You could use any kind of flesh tone lip pencil for this part. And then we're putting butterscotch from Colored Rain in the center. And this is where a lot of people often stop when they're doing nude lip looks. But again, we're taking it to the next level. We are leveling up. So again, going in with that dimensional dark brown to define the lip just a little bit more and make it actually look a little bit larger. I want to actually make it look like more of a pout and create kind of a gradient and add that dimension. So as you can kind of see, it's like coming together. It looks more dimensional, and you can stop here and add a little bit more butterscotch in the center. But instead of adding more butterscotch, I'm actually going to add another lighter gloss in the center. This is Macchiato from Dose of Colors to create that dimension. And yeah, that is the leveling up of this nude lip look. Basically, it's almost like you're contouring the lips and kind of accentuating what you have and making everything look just more pouty and more plump and all that jazz. So now we're getting into a red. So this is Colored Rain's Cherry Blossom, which is like the all-star brown skin friendly red lip. I actually am, before I show y'all how to level it up, I'm going to define it slightly with Night Moth, just because I think that when people create red lips looks, this is kind of what you think of when you think of leveling up, is like adding kind of that burgundy either lip pencil or liquid lip, or however you like to do it. But again, leveling up again with the dimensional dark brown. Like I'm telling y'all, this is like my favorite lip pencil because it does so much for me. So basically, I'm again kind of contouring the lip. You have a little bit of shadow under the lip, and you can actually overline at the top of the Cupid's bow, and that actually makes the appearance of your lips look larger. So yeah, I've done that with the dimensional dark brown. You can stop there, but I'm going to add gloss. So I'm using a tubed gloss because I don't want any red to get into the glosses that I have that are like have a wand. So I'm using a lip brush to just kind of pat that on top of the lipstick look. When you put gloss on top, you lose a little bit of the details that you kind of put all the work we put in. So I'm going to go back in with the dimensional dark brown just to make sure everything is looking defined the way I wanted to. Apologies in advance, y'all. I could not see very closely, and I feel like I need to clean this up just a touch, but I hope y'all get the idea. It's definitely taking like a normal kind of, don't get me wrong, the before is cute, like she's cute, but we're leveling up. So this last look is like a pretty pink, bubblegum pink. This is a party girl lip gloss from the Lip Bar, and it's cute on its own. Like you could wear this on its own. It's definitely not, I hope it doesn't come across as me saying that you can or you shouldn't. Like, do what works for you. But this is just the way I like to, do my lips. So again, we are using kind of a lip color in the same family. This is Currant from MAC. And this is kind of, I think, what people typically think of when they are using lip liner, if they do use lip liner at all, to kind of, you know, zhuzh up the look. And it's cute. Like, this is cute. But again, going in with my favorite, as you've probably guessed it, Dimensional Dark Brown. We're contouring the Cupid's bow, the outer corners, and the bottom to just create a more fuller pout. And I do this with almost all my lip looks now, just to make sure my lips kind of look a little bit larger and a little bit more defined. And it just, to me, makes all my lip looks look more, I guess, put together. If you mess up, again, add some of that base color in the center and blend it outwards to make everything, you know, come back together. But I feel like this technique is something y'all should definitely try when you're at home. I know I need a distraction, so if you need a distraction, you can, if you don't have this product, you can try it with brown eyeliner. It's really easy once you get the hang of it. So hopefully this video gave y'all some ideas on how to level up your lip looks. We're just recapping the lip looks I showed y'all today. Thanks again for hanging out with me. Stay safe. I will see you in the next video.